Hello, in this video I'm gonna unbox the INFINIX Xwatch 3 GT. You can see here is the box. We have some information here, we'll get to that in a moment. Then there's nothing else basically, so let's just cut the foil on the back so we can open it. Okay, I'll cut it here as well. And here we have it. It looks quite interesting with this pretty weird orange strap, but it has also this sort of, maybe not golden, but copper finish. Okay, let's get that going. I'll take this foil off and the screen foil. It also has some instructions to charge the smartwatch to activate it before first use, so we'll probably need to find a charger inside. Yes, there is one. And we also, besides the charger and the watch itself, have some manuals, I guess, but I won't be needing those. Let's just get straight to the point. So, as I said, we'll get to the box. On the box it says that it's 1.53 inches super large HD screen with a digital crown, of course. Then it supports Bluetooth calls, health monitoring. I believe there's probably some heart rate sensors and stuff like that. It has 123 sports modes and 100 plus watch faces. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this watch, and see you in the next one.